Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to connect custom domain to Odoo. Step-by-step guide 2025. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for Odoo and open their official website. Like here you can see odoo.com. So after coming here, you have to sign in if you have already have an account, and you can also sign up on Odoo. And already I have my account here, and we can click on my account or my database if we have one. So as you can see, there is no database we have. So as we have not created any project or databases, so let's see how you can add custom domain here. So first of all, let's assume that you have a custom domain on Namecheap. So you have to just copy your domain from here and select copy, and you just have to go to the Odoo and paste your custom domain here on the database, and you just have to click on go or create or connect option, and then you are good to go. You are now connected to Odoo with your custom domain. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.